Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your War Chef at wareva.com. Today we are going to make mini Bite Badushah. One Bite Badushah, just so small that you will thoroughly enjoy it. To make this, it's very easy. All you do is take all-purpose flour. In this, we are going to add the baking powder or soda. Do not add too much, that should be good enough. Mix this well. Lot of times, especially when I am making Badusha, pinch of salt to enhance the taste. In this, we are going to add ghee. 1, 2, that should be good enough. This is to make it kind of short crust effect. You know, when you take a bite, it should literally melt in your mouth. For the baking powder or the soda, what you added, to make it effective, means your badushahis have to become lighter. You use something sour, and traditionally we use curd. Add very little. We don't need this too much. Add this curd and look at this. That should be good enough. I'm just going to rest it for like 3-4 minutes, and then I'm going to make this into small badushahis. So easy. Usually to make this, it's going to take 10-15 minutes. You can have your badushahi ready. So to make the sugar syrup also, take sugar. Just look at this. Now in no time, the whole sugar is getting wet, but there should not be any water that you should be able to pour out. Now once you heat it, the entire sugar will melt and you will get that one string consistency. That's what you prefer for gulab jamun or jalebis or even for badushahis. Look at this. Such a small size. Just roll it and then that's it. It's like one finger size. Make this into a dough. Perfect. And drop it in. We're going to make all of this and then fry it in ghee. I've taken half a cup of ghee, and within this I'll be able to fry all of them. You know, the syrup is perfect. It's ready. One string consistency, and I'm going to transfer the ghee here. Now the technique is the ghee should not be too hot. It should be just, the way the oil is when you fry the samosas. If the oil is too hot, the samosas will become dark colored and the dough will remain not so nice and crispy. So for this, I'm just going to check. Look at this. It has to go to the bottom and now it is come up. This is the right temperature, but do not heat it too much. You want to get a perfect temperature. That's when we're going to drop this. Do not add too much because these will slightly increase in the size. I think I can afford to add one more. Here, these will increase in size. So be careful. Look at these mini awesome badushahi. Let them sizzle, and because of the short crust, the way we added the ghee into it, they will come out awesome. And especially any sweet made with the ghee is my favorite. Ghee sweets, I have a weakness for it. So till you get a nice golden color on both sides, fry it, and later we will shift all of them into the hot syrup. Once you get this awesome golden color, now we're going to add more of these. Look at them. They are almost double in size, and since we have already added ghee in this, it's not going to absorb more of the ghee, so you will be able to fry all of this in just half a cup of ghee. Here, look at this. I got the single string consistency. This is perfect. Switch off the flame here and add saffron. Even if you have to add water, add just half a spoonful, and then I'll get the right consistency here. I have the sugar syrup ready with saffron in it. Drop this in the sugar syrup. Put these badushahis in this. We're just going to, toss them in this, after which we're going to remove them out. We do not want to soak this in the hot syrup. Once these are all done, then we're going to serve it for you. Just after removing from the syrup, coat it up with pistachio and they're perfect. Some people prefer even more thicker sugar syrup. Just light coating is good enough, especially when you're making this mini kind. So serve it, beautifully decorated, and they literally melt in your mouth and they're just awesome. Inside, the little bit of that layers of the dough is very, very tasty. Keep cooking awesome food. Keep saying wareva. and enjoy life.